Hello, now in this video we want to be able to buy cryptocurrencies on the Binance Exchange platform. So far we've seen the different coins that we want to buy, and most of them are found on Binance. So we're going to be able to buy the cryptocurrencies in Binance, and then we're going to send them off from the Binance platform over to our external wallet. And in the previous video we saw those wallets, my Ether wallets for Ethereum, and those tokens, and the blockchain.com for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, and for Bitcoin Cash. So it's up to you to decide where to store your cryptocurrencies off the exchange platform. So the first thing you're going to do now is to go to Binance.com, and you're going to sign up for free. It is absolutely free. Okay, and depositing your cryptocurrency in Binance is as free as the website is free. And once you sign up to Binance, make sure you follow the instructions and activate your two-factor authentication, because that's very powerful. All right, it is to protect your cryptocurrencies, protect your investment, protect your assets. So once you've signed up to Binance, okay, if you don't know what Binance is, you don't know the website, the link is I should put the link below. Okay, just go to the link below, and then you're going to be able to fill the form and create your account. And the next thing is, once you've created your account and you have authenticated it with the two-factor, you have to go to here, funds, and go to deposit. What we're going to do is to grab the Bitcoin address. Okay, we're going to grab our Bitcoin address so as to send the cryptocurrencies. Now if you are just buying a Bitcoin from a reseller, for a dealer, locally dealer, or you're buying from CoinMama, you're going to buy from Coinbase, you want to buy straight to Binance. This is the withdrawal address that you're going to use, not this address. Literally your own address. You've got to get your own. If you use this address, I'm going to receive it. So what I'm saying is that once you log in, you're going to have your Bitcoin deposit address here. That's the address you're going to copy and send over to your Bitcoin dealer. All right, the Bitcoin dealer is going to send your Bitcoins to this address. Once you've received your Bitcoins, now I'm going to show you where to buy. Remember, we are not doing day trading. Okay, we're not buying now to sell tomorrow for profit. We're not reading market signals, buy when it is down and selling when it is up. What we want to do is we just want to buy at the market price, okay, and hold for long term. All right, so get to Binance, create your account, and then grab your Binance Bitcoin address, Bitcoin deposit address, and set to your Bitcoin seller. Okay, and then next we're going to see, once you receive, you're going to have to wait for about 3 confirmations. Once the Bitcoin is sent from the Bitcoin seller, you're going to have to wait for those 3 confirmations to actually receive the funds in your Binance account. So next we're going to see exactly how to buy your coins. So don't go away. I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. What we're going to do now is to find out if we've already received our Bitcoins. Okay, you're sending Bitcoin from the Coinbase, from CoinMama, or your dealer has sent your Bitcoin to your Binance Bitcoin address, or you are sending it directly from your own wallet. We're going to find out if the money or the coins have been deposited. So we're going here, funds balances. This is going to tell us if we have already received Bitcoin in our wallet. The connection is a little bit unstable, but we're doing with it. So here you should find here on the list of your cryptocurrencies. Okay, you should find Bitcoin here. It could be on the top of the list or somewhere. If you've received, you're going to find it here somewhere on the top of the list. And here total balance is what you're going to have, and available balance. Okay, now if we have the amount that you bought here, it means that you already have received your Bitcoin. And so let's move on to the buying process. Okay, so we're going to here exchange. All right, basic, because I don't want us to go to the advanced page. We just want to go and buy Bitcoin at the current market price. Now we are here on the Bitcoin market. Take note of these. here on the Bitcoin market, okay? But we want to be able to buy a cryptocurrency that is trading against Bitcoin. So what we do is here, take note, we're going to search, let's say excuse me, we want to buy Ethos. Here Ethos is actually referred to as BQX. What you should do is to type in the search box the ticker of the coin, and it's going to give you the coin here. I'm going to click on it, and that is going to load the Ethos packet. You'll find out here that we've moved from Bitcoin to Ethos. So we have Ethos, Bitcoin, or Bitcoins, Bitcoin. So we want just to buy at the current market price. So we're going to move down to this box, to the buy box here, and I'm going to activate the market tab, and this tells me I'm just going to buy at the current market price. Now Binance is making it easy for us by giving us percentages of the available funds we want to spend. Okay, now I have this quantity of Bitcoin. Do I want to spend 25% of it? Do I want to spend 50%? Do I want to spend 75%? Or I want to spend everything? So what I'm going to do is I just want to buy everything. I'm going to click on 100%, and here it is going to give you the number of Ethos that you're going to buy that correspond or that your Bitcoins can buy. Okay, so once you click on 100%, it's going to automatically give you the value here, and the next thing is you're going to click on buy Bitcoins. Now this applies for every other coin you want to buy. We're buying at the market price. Okay, now don't worry about limit and stop limit. This is something else that we can talk about sometimes later, but right now we're buying at the current market price. So we're going here, we're clicking on 100%, and we're clicking buy. Once you click here, you're going to notice that the quantity of coins here is going to change. So if we had 500 here, the 500 are going to be bought, and we're going to have them here as the total balance of the coin that we just bought. So you see, it is very simple to actually buy a cryptocurrency on Binance. First, you have to buy Bitcoin, because everything goes through Bitcoin, and then you have to go to Binance, create your account, and you grab your Bitcoin deposit address, and you have your Bitcoin sent to your deposit address. And then secondly or thirdly, you just have to verify to make sure that you've received a Bitcoin, and then you're going to go to the basic trading page here, and you make sure you load the cryptocurrency here. You want to load the market here, search and click on the market of the coin you want to buy. Okay, that's very important. And then we're going down here to this buy box, and we're going to pick the market tab and hit 100% if you want to spend everything. If you want to spend just 75% or 50 or 25%, or you want to buy a specific quantity, you can just key in the specific quantity in the amount here, and then you click on buy Bitcoins, and that's all. You already have it. Now the next thing is you have to move from here to your external wallet. Okay, remember we've seen that blockchain.com, and we've seen my Ether wallet. Now the other wallet I also mentioned that you want to buy, for instance, Cardano. You have to go to the Cardano website and get the instructions on their wallet, how to store them. And once you've already had the external wallet, you should already get your address in that external wallet. Okay, if it is Cardano, you should have your Cardano deposit address from your wallet, and you're going here and go to the withdrawals page here. And once on the withdrawals page, okay, you're going to have here the coin that you want to withdraw. All right, if you want to withdraw Cardano, you want to withdraw Ethos, which is actually BQX here. Now it's going to tell me, okay, I have to actually paste the withdrawal address, which is the deposit address of my wallet. So I have to paste it in here, and I'm going to process the withdrawal, and it's going to be very quick and easy. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. I look forward to see you in the next video.